How to share notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your notes on this page. Either create a new note by tapping the Compose icon in the bottom right corner or open an existing note that you want to share. With the note open, look for the Share icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it to open the sharing options. By default, the Share option is set to Send Copy, which only sends a static, non-editable version of your note. To enable collaboration, simply tap on the Collaborate from the options. Once in Collaborate mode, you can control who can access the note and what they can do. Tap the link below Collaborate and change the setting from Only Invited People to anyone with the link. Then decide if collaborators can make changes or can view only. After setting your preferences, tap Done. You will be returned to the Share sheet. Now, simply choose an app to send the collaboration link through, such as Messages or Mail. Add the contacts you want to share with and send the message. They will receive a link that gives them access to the shared note with the permissions you set. Following these steps, you can easily share notes on iPhone.